Trying to lose weight? Know all the tricks in the book and still nothing? Hey there viewers, and welcome back to DN Fit. Weight loss is not child's play. The journey to your desired weight starts with making dietary changes. Cutting back on foods high in fat plays a major role in dropping those extra calories. Losing weight is a combination of eating nutritious food, being physically active, and knowing what to avoid, like those foods high in fat with empty calories. With so many options, it's difficult to make the right choice. Where do you start? No more chips? What about meats and desserts? Here are many foods that you must avoid if you want to lose weight. We're not saying fully stop them. Just do a proper balanced diet. It involves making mindful choices by prioritizing whole, nutritious foods while also enjoying occasional treats in moderation. Balancing these treats with a diet rich in nutrient-dense foods can help you manage your weight and overall health more effectively. Number 1. White rice. White rice is a staple food in many cultures and diets around the world. It's a carbohydrate-rich grain that provides energy and can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced meal. A single cup of rice contains 200 calories, which is a disaster for someone looking to lose weight. When compared to brown rice, white rice is stripped of its vitamins and minerals during the refining process. Filled with carbs, this food should be avoided at all costs or replaced with unprocessed brown rice. Number 2. Chocolate bars. Chocolate is the world's favorite dessert. While dark chocolate has health benefits, milk chocolate bars are packed with calories and sugar and very little nutrients. These bars also increase appetite, and, be honest, when was the last time you had one bite? They're just plain unhealthy and you should resist the temptation. Consuming them regularly can lead to excess calorie intake and weight gain. Number 3. White bread. White bread often finds its way onto everyone's breakfast table. It's affordable, readily available, and undeniably delicious. Sadly, they are packed with carbohydrates and sugar, two of the primary contents responsible for weight gain. Not just that, they are high in the glycemic index as well, which makes it a no-go for diabetics as it tends to shoot up the insulin levels. Having just 2 slices of white bread will greatly increase your chances of developing obesity. Number 4. Fast food. When we hear the words fast food, what often comes to mind are convenience, but also unhealthy and calorie-laden options. Think Chinese takeaways, burgers, burritos, momos, and the list goes on. These foods are typically pre-made and often packed with unhealthy levels of fats, carbs, and various artificial additives. If your daily routine involves regular visits to the drive-thru or ordering fast food, it might be a good time to say no. Number 5. Sugary beverages. Reducing or eliminating sugary beverages is an excellent step toward weight loss and overall better health. Sugary drinks are basically beverages that contain added sweeteners and flavors. These include soda, tonic, fruit punch, energy drinks, and more. A single tablespoon contains about 4 grams of sugar. A typical can of soda contains 7 to 10 tablespoons of sugar. Swap your can of soda with a glass of lemon water for accelerating weight loss. Which beverage do you prefer? Tell us in the comments. Number 6. Potato chips. Potato chips are a popular snack, but they are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, sodium, and low in nutritional value. Out of all the fat-causing offenders, potato chips are the worst. Along with a dangerous amount of sodium, a bag of chips is also high in trans fat. This leads to obesity along with heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Go for healthy snacks like celery, kale chips, dark chocolate, or apple slices with peanut butter. Number 7. Processed meats. Processed meats are meats that have been modified through various methods such as salting, curing, smoking, or adding preservatives. Obesity and weight gain is directly linked to processed meats, which include sausages, salami, beef jerky, and canned meat. They contain many different combinations of irresistible and delicious flavors, additives, and fat, which usually makes people overeat. They lack fiber, protein, vitamins, and other essential nutrients. So if you're looking to ditch a few pounds, then processed meats is a no-go. Number 8. Ice cream. Ice cream is made from heavy cream, loaded with sugar and incredibly dense in fat content. Just 1 cup of vanilla ice cream contains 14 grams of fat. If you find it difficult to cut back on it, then only have it as an occasional treat. You can also substitute commercially prepared ice cream with the low-fat ones. Number 9. Flavored coffee drinks. Large coffee drinks like a vanilla latte, iced white chocolate mocha, and others can cause some serious weight gain. While black coffee helps in breaking down large foods into smaller bits. These drinks can be calorie-dense, especially when they contain syrups, whipped cream, or additional toppings. Heavy, whipped cream, large quantities of sugar and artificial flavoring. All these add-ons negate the positive characteristics of coffee. Just one of these drinks every day will bring your weight loss journey to a standstill. Number 10. Burgers. Burgers top the list for high-fat containing foods because one cheeseburger contains around 300 calories. Burgers are made from highly processed meat products, which may contain additives, preservatives, and sodium, potentially negatively impacting health. They also contain refined flour, red meat, cheese, mayo and ketchup. All the ingredients to make you gain a couple of pounds in just one go. Number 11. Sugary cereal. Sugar equals fat. Cereal that is typically high in added sugars and low in nutritional value. While they can be tasty and convenient, consuming sugary cereals regularly can have several negative effects on your health and weight. Cereal is one of the most overlooked foods to avoid for weight loss. Added sugars found in cereal, candy and other baked goods contribute to weight gain. If not taken care of in the early stages, it can cause diabetes, chronic heart conditions and obesity. Looking to replace cereal? Go for whole grain-based cereals that digest easily and quickly. Number 12. Diet drink. Diet soda. How can something with diet in its name contribute to weight gain? Low calorie doesn't mean low sugar content. In the long run, artificial and refined sugar causes weight gain. Drinking zero-calorie, sweetened drinks confuses the body because it expects the calories that aren't actually there. This causes it to increase insulin and sugar levels, leading to fat storage and eventually contributing to weight gain. Number 13. French fries. A typical helping of French fries contains around 427 calories, which means it's a high-calorie food. Made with potatoes and deep-fried in oil, French fries are a quick ticket to obesity. Often eaten along with other junk foods, ketchup and topped sometimes with melted cheese, they also increase your risk of overeating. Consuming French fries regularly can have implications for weight management and overall health. Number 14. Red meat. Red meat like pork, beef and lamb are packed with protein and are a rich source of iron. This high iron content decreases the release of certain hormones in the brain, which leaves you with a monster appetite. When eaten in excess, this can increase the risk of heart disease and weight gain. Try to limit your red meat intake to just 3-4 ounces per week. Number 15. Whipped cream. Whipped cream often contains added sugar, contributing to overconsumption of sugars and potential weight gain. Desserts don't feel complete without a rich dollop of whipped cream. We're used to having cream in coffee, baked goods and all sorts of other things. It is made from heavy cream and is packed with calories. A 2 tablespoon serving has 100 calories and 10 grams of fat. Clearly, it's a no-no if you're looking to lose weight. Number 16. Peanut butter. Peanuts are high in fat and calories. Eating just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter contains 190 calories, which is unpleasant news. If you are looking to lose weight, butter alone also has boatloads of fat. Eating peanut butter with bread is an easy way of gaining weight. It's important to be mindful of portion sizes, as peanut butter is calorie-dense, and overconsumption can contribute to weight gain. Number 17. Fresh fruit juice. Juice sometimes considered the hidden culprit for weight gain, fresh fruit juice often goes unnoticed. Fruit juices can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels due to their concentrated sugar content, which can lead to increased hunger and cravings for more high-calorie foods. Eating fresh fruit is better than squeezing out its juice. The sugar content present in juice form causes weight gain and obesity. Without any fiber, the fruit increases sugar levels in the blood, which later gets stored as fat. Number 18. Fried chicken. Fried chicken is America's favorite soul food. Sadly, it contributes to massive weight gain. Fried chicken is calorie-dense due to the frying process, which involves soaking the chicken in oil. Consuming it regularly not only will you gain weight but also increase cholesterol, leading to heart problems. Unprocessed foods and healthier cooking methods can support both weight management and overall health. Number 19. Cream cheese. Cream cheese is a popular dessert spread. This versatile dairy product is made from the heavy fat combination of cream and milk. Cream cheese, high in calories and saturated fat, can hinder weight loss efforts if consumed excessively. Cream cheese contains 33% fat. Sure, it is a good source of vitamin A and antioxidants, but the cons outweigh the pros. Just 2 tablespoons of it contains 100 calories and 9 grams of fat. Number 20. Energy drinks. If you've been skipping meals and substituting them with energy drinks, then it's time for you to stop. Most notably, they often contain a high sugar content, contributing to excess calorie intake and potential weight gain if consumed regularly. They have zero nutritional value and are high in empty calories and sugar. Drinking even 2 cans of it every day is considered overconsumption. Often associated with sports and athletic activities, these drinks are very harmful in the long run. Number 21. Jam. Fruit jams are a part of a balanced breakfast, especially for kids. Despite the delicious taste, there is nothing more to it. This classic sweet spread is made by simmering fruits in high-calorie sugar and zero fiber. It is also dense with glucose and leads to weight gain. Due to its sugar content, even a small serving of jam can be calorie-rich. Replace it with freshly cut fruit topping or some other organic spread. Number 22. Savory sauces. Savory sauces are flavorful condiments used to enhance the taste of various dishes such as barbecue sauce, ketchup, ranch, classic mayonnaise, and others contain shockingly high amounts of calories and fat. Just 1 spoon of mayo contains 10 grams of fat and 100 calories. Sure, these condiments make any bland food delicious, but they are not good news. Number 23. Coffee creamer. Coffee has gained major hype among the people in the US, however the creamer in it causes weight gain. Some coffee creamers contain unhealthy saturated fats or trans fats, which can negatively impact heart health when overconsumed. Coffee alone is rich with nutrients and essential vitamins, but the moment you add dairy creamers, everything gets cancelled out. They not only contain fat but also emulsifiers that cause digestive issues. Number 24. Refined pasta. When it comes to weight gain, pasta is a tricky food. A staple in many cultures, whole grain pasta is a good choice for a healthy diet routine. On the other hand, refined pasta has had most of its nutrients and fiber removed, and the body digests it as it would any sugar, sending fat stores to your belly. You can make the switch easily and say goodbye to belly fat. Number 25. Onion rings. Onion rings are typically deep fried in oil, making them calorie dense. Onion rings are a staple among fast food and are often eaten with burgers and a soda. Consuming them in large quantities can lead to excess calorie intake and potential weight gain. 100 grams of onion rings contain 411 calories. Completely getting rid of them from your diet will show quick results. Number 26. Tortilla chips. The combination of tortilla chips and guacamole may seem like the perfect healthy snack, but that is a common misconception. Tortilla chips are calorie-dense due to the deep frying process. 100 grams of these processed chips contains 25 grams of fat. With minuscule amounts of calcium and iron, their nutritional value is not impressive and has dangerously high levels of sodium. Overall, tortilla chips cause more harm than good. Number 26. Cinnamon rolls. Due to the ingredients like butter, sugar, and icing, cinnamon rolls are calorie-dense, and portion sizes can easily lead to overconsumption of calories. One large cinnamon roll contains 290 calories and 15% of it is just fat. In order to burn these calories, you will have to do some intense cardio. With zero nutritional value, these should be immediately cut from your diet. Number 27. Pancakes. If layers of pancakes with sugary syrup dripping down is your breakfast of choice, then it's time to stop. They are a popular breakfast meal that can be whipped up in no time. While an occasional pancake or two is okay, eating it every day for breakfast contributes to weight gain. Traditional pancakes, while delicious, often contain refined carbohydrates, added sugars, unhealthy fats, and limited protein, all factors that increase your waistline. Number 28. Pancake syrup. Pancakes are incomplete without a generous drizzle of syrup. This underrated addition may be unknowingly causing some weight gain. These syrups are extremely high in sugar and lack any sort of natural flavoring or nutritional value. Constant use of different types of sugary syrup may lead to obesity and even diabetes. Number 29. Granola. Granola has gained exponential popularity as a healthy snack alternative that's packed with energy-giving ingredients. Some granola contain significant amounts of unhealthy saturated fats or trans fats, added sugars, often from added oils or high-fat ingredients like nuts and coconut. Constantly eating them in large amounts will lead to obesity, diabetes, and other health concerns. Try eating small amounts, and ones that contain no artificial sweeteners. Number 30. Bottled tea. Bottled tea may seem like the perfect pick-me-up for a kick of energy. Almost every type of pre-sweetened bottled tea is a bad idea. Sure, it feels light and refreshing, but many bottled tea products contain added sugars to enhance flavor. In just one packaged tea, you're having 11 teaspoons of sugar. An obvious step would be to cut it out from your diet to promote weight loss. Number 31. Alcohol drink. Alcohol can stimulate appetite and lower inhibitions, leading to increased snacking or overeating when consumed, especially in social settings. It also stops the body from burning fat. Ever gorge on a cheese hamburger after a night out? That's because booze makes you super hungry for junk food. Sure, some alcoholic beverages contain more fat than others, but they're all equally harmful. Number 32. Pizza. Pizza is a beloved and versatile food enjoyed worldwide. However, it can derail your weight loss journey. From its dough to toppings, every aspect is unhealthy. The dough is refined and contains heavy carbs. They're topped off with fats like cheese and unhealthy sauces containing trans fats. Unless you choose the healthier version, it should be on your "don't eat" list. Number 36. Soybean oil. In a world that is quickly switching to healthier alternatives, soybean has become a popular choice. Did you know that soybean causes more obesity when compared to coconut oil? Soybean oil is calorie-dense, providing approximately 120 calories per tablespoon. People WHO include this oil in their diets are more susceptible to weight gain and even diabetes. This happens because it contains unsaturated unhealthy fats. Replace it with olive oil and expect positive results. Number 33. Cookies. Cookies are available in every possible flavor. No matter how inviting they may seem, if you're looking to lose weight, be ready to cut them out of your life. A single cookie contains 52 calories and nobody can have just one. Made by combining butter, eggs, refined flour and artificial flavoring and topped off with unhealthy toppings, they are not good news. Number 34. Dried fruits. Dried fruits contain natural sugars, primarily fructose, which contributes to their sweet taste. Eating whole fruits is always a good idea. Contrary to popular belief, dried fruits like peaches, apples and apricots among others cause unprecedented weight gain. When eaten for a long duration of time, they can cause a lot of weight gain. Number 35. Beer. Thinking about cracking open a cold one? Hold that thought. Beer belly is real. Out of all the alcoholic beverages, beer contains the highest amount of calories. They also contain carbs that get stored as fat in the body. The more you drink it, the more your weight gain will be, and that includes the whole body. Number 36. Bottled smoothies. Many bottled smoothies, even those labeled as healthy or natural, contain significant amounts of added sugars to enhance flavor. Other than that, they also contain artificial sweeteners, flavorings and other additives aimed at increasing the shelf life. If you really want the bottled ones, then be sure to only go for whole fruit ones with zero added sugar. Number 37. Refined sugar. Consuming excessive amounts of refined sugar can lead to weight gain, as it contributes to a high calorie. It is almost impossible to escape refined sugars. It's present in everything from cookies, breads, pasta, yogurt to tomato sauce. The list can go on and on. If you eat sugar regularly, then you will drastically gain weight very quickly. It's a source of empty calories and negligible in terms of nutrition. Number 38. Donuts. Donuts are everyone's go-to sweet treat. Donuts can be high in saturated fats, particularly if they are filled or topped with creamy or buttery ingredients. The added fats make it a high-calorie food. They contain anywhere between 190 to 400 calories, which is quite difficult to burn out as well. Number 39. Bagels. Bagels aren't that bad, but it doesn't make them a healthy option. A bagel contains around 350 calories. Convenient and difficult to resist. Including them in your morning breakfast may not be a good idea after all. Unless you plan on burning those calories off at the gym, there is a good chance that they will turn into fat and get settled in your thighs and belly. Number 40. Muffins. Just like other baked goods, a simple muffin is also loaded with added sugars, fat and carbs. Although it may seem like an innocent sweet delight, it contains close to 400 calories. There are ways of substituting a regular muffin with healthier ones along with natural sweeteners and additives. If you're looking to lose weight, it would be best to cut it out completely. Number 41. Croissants. Croissants made with butter. This much-loved food also, sadly, falls under the category of high-calorie foods. They also contain trans fats that leads to weight gain. One simple croissant contains as much as 272 calories. Baked goods in general are a poor choice to include in your diet if weight loss is your aim. Number 42. Butter. 1 tablespoon of butter packs about 102 calories. This shows that butter is packed with calories and fattening content. Sure, butter is fine in small quantities every day, but lavering your bread and including it in any of your baked goods will lead to an increase in your weight. Say goodbye to butter if you want to shed a couple of pounds quickly. Which foods are you willing to give up? Have you already given up some of these delicious treats? Let's get that discussion going in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.